This is pre-calculus. So this section, we're going to study trigonometric functions defined on the unit circle. So really important concept in pre-calculus. Let's talking about unit circle first. What is unit circle here, guys? The center is 0 and 0. That's the center. Radius gonna be 1 from center from the here. That's the radius. 1, 1, 1, 1. That's the circle equation x squared plus y squared 1, xy on the circle. So any point here, x, y, satisfying this equation, that's we're gonna say xy is on the unit circle. So for example, I give the some point 1.5, comma square root 3 over 2. That's on the unit circle or not? How can you gonna prove it? Let's go, this is x value. This is y value. So x squared plus y squared, we're going to calculate it. 1.5 squared plus square root 3 over 2 squared. That's going to be 1 over 4 plus 3 over 4. That's going to be 4 over 4 equal 1. That's we know this point on the unit circle. Let's define trigonometric function on the unit circle. How gonna define it? Start point 1 and 0. This point, go to the here. That's you're gonna put t variable. Any point on the unit circle, that's the length of arc. Then we're gonna define sine t gonna be y, cosine t gonna be x. Any point of unit circle, you're gonna sketch this length, that's gonna be t. This x value gonna be cosine t, y value is sine t. If you remember how to define the radian, guys, radian is the center angle. So center angle you sketch here, guys, the center angle right there. Here is a theta. Theta is defined length of arc, that's the t, over what? Radius, 1. Exactly t. So this theta, you're gonna put this one is exactly theta, exactly same thing. Center angle length of arc. So from now on, we're gonna say give the center angle. That's we're gonna design sine, cosine, tangent. Okay. Cosecant, of course, 1 over sine, reciprocal. Secant t gonna be 1 over x. Cotangent gonna be x over y. That's the guys. One more time. Unit circle is x, y. X represent cosine value, y represent sine value, tangent gonna be y over x. Okay, let's start with the t equals 0. T equals 0 is where? Let's erase everything here right there, guys. T equals 0 meaning is, so let's t equals 0. T equals 0 is right here. Start point right there. That's the t equals 0 point. So 1 and 0. We say x is cosine value. Y is a sine value. That's what we define, right? So t equals 0, sine 0 gonna be 0. Cosine 0 gonna be 1. Tangent 0 gonna be 0 over 1. That's gonna be 0. Cosecant 0 gonna be 1 over y. What's the y value? 0. 1 over y value is 0. Bottom is 0, so you're going to say this is undefined because denominator is 0. So 1 over 0, this is undefined. Secant 0, that's going to be 1 over x. X is 0. 1 over x, x equal 1. That's going to be 1. Cotangent 0. What is cotangent? 0. X going to be 1. Y value is 0. Denominator 0. This is undefined. Guys, it makes sense? That's how you find the trigonometric function on the unit circle. More, guys. T equal pi over 2. Meaning is t equal pi over 2. This is pi over 2. Whole thing is 2 pi. That's the pi over 2. Another way, center angle gonna be pi over 2. Exactly same. So you're gonna find the plot is point on the unit circle 0 and 1. So this is x value. This is y value. So sine pi over 2 gonna be, that's gonna be y value. That's the 1. cosine pi over 2, that's the x value, that's the 0. Tangent pi over 2, that's gonna be y over 0. So y over 0, that's undefined. Guys, make sense? So same thing is cosecant, secant, cotangent. Okay, let's go to tangent pi. Tangent pi is half revolution. So here is all the way here. Here is all the way here. So this one is center angle gonna be pi 2. So when you t equal pi, coordinate is on the unit circle is negative 1 and 0. So you have this one is x value, this is y value. So you can find the sine pi. Sine value is y value, that's the 0. Cosine pi, that's the x, negative 1. Tangent pi, that's gonna be y over x, 0 and negative 1, that's gonna be 0. Let's do one more time. T is 3 pi over 2. Now center angle gonna be 3 pi over 2. Let's use this one all the way here. The point is right there, 0 and negative 1. So x equals 0, y equals negative 1. You find it. So sine 3 pi over 2, that's going to be y value negative 1. Cosine 3 pi over 2, that's going to be 0. Tangent 3 pi over 2, that's y over x, negative 1 and 0, undefined because denominator is 0. That's how to define sine, cosine, tangent, unit circle, guys. So here is a unit circle chart. So we have to fill out everything. Then you should memorize this thing. Here's a really important tips I can give to you. So let's fill out here. I'm not going to fill out every single thing, guys. Look at this. Boxes, I'm going to fill out the radians. So 0, pi over 2. Here is a pi. Here is a 3 pi over 2. That you're going to fill out the first, which meaning is degree is 0, 90. Here is a 180. Here is a 270. So when you have the first one, you're going to have 0 and pi over 2. That's going to be half. That's going to be pi over 4. This is 1/3. So pi over 6. Here is pi over 3. You're going to fill out the degree. So I'm going to fill out the first coordinate. So pi over 6, here is going to be square 3 over 2. Here is 1/2. Pi over 4, here is square root 2 over 2, square root 2 over 2. Here is a pi over 3, 1 over 2. Here is a square 3 over 2. Pi over 2 is 0 and 1. Theta is 0, 1 and 0. That's we fill out the first quadrant. So second quadrant, guys, here. Pi over 6, you're going to fill out all this angle on the discussion board. Easy way you figure out this coordinate is going to be, guys, look at this one. This one is reflects over y-axis. You're going to change the x sign, negative 1 over 2, square root 3 over 2. Second one, negative square root 2 over 2, square root 2 over 2. Third one, negative square root 3 over 2, here is 1/2. So this coordinate is going to be negative 1 and 0. Same thing here. You're going to reflect the x-axis right there. Here is going to be change y sign. Square root 3 over 2, negative 1/2. Second part, negative square root 2 over 2, negative square root 2 over 2. Third, this one is negative 1/2, negative square root 3 over 2. That's fill out the point on the unit circle. How about this one? This fourth quadrant reflects over x-axis. Here is a square root 3 over 2. Y sign going to be changed 1/2. Here is going to be square root 2 over 2, negative 1/2. Here is 1/2. That's going to be negative 3 over 2. I'm pretty sure you're going to fill out all the radian on the unit circle chart. I give the one example here is pi over 6. Guys, another one is should be here 5 pi over 6. So here, this is pi over 6. This is pi over 6. You're going to 5 minus pi over 6. Here is a 5 pi over 6. Here is a pi over 4. Same token. Here is 3 pi over 4. Here is a pi over 3. That's going to be 2 pi over 3. Another angle going to be you figure out very quickly, figure out all the angle with radian and degree. Guys, make sure you understand this unit circle chart, how I sketch it, I'm going to fit out. You're going to do try it exactly the same thing. Let's evaluate the trigonometric function, guys. T equal pi over 6. Guys, t equal pi over 6. You know that that's the unit circle chart. They coordinate gonna be x gonna be 1.5, y gonna be square root 3 over 2. What is the sine t gonna be? That's the y value, square root 3 over 2. Cosine t gonna be x value, 1 over 2. Tangent t gonna be y over x, square root 3 over 2, 1.5. This one is square root 3 over 2 times 2 over 1. That's gonna be square root 3. So I'm gonna stop there, guys. Next one is t equal negative pi over 3. This one is negative. Where is it negative, guys? Let's sketch this angle. Negative gonna be here, go to this direction. Negative pi over 3. That's the negative angle. You're gonna have positive angle right here. This one is 5 pi over 3. So you're gonna find this coordinate on the unit circle. 5 pi over 3 value gonna be 1.5. Another one is negative square root 3 over 2. So how can find the sine? T gonna be sine is y value, negative square root 3 over 2. Cosine t gonna be 1.5. Tangent t gonna be y over x. Y is negative square root 3 over 2. 1 over 2. That's the negative square root 3. That's how to use unit circle when you find the trigonometric functions. Another one is we're gonna have 9 pi over 4, guys. Here is 9 pi over 4. This one definitely greater than 2 pi. What is 2 pi? Here is 4 over 8 pi. This one greater than 2 pi, meaning is we're gonna find the coterminal angle. So this one is, what is coterminal angle? Is 0 and 2 pi. We're gonna start, here is one cycle is 2 pi. Then you have go further. Let's find the coterminal angle. 9 pi over 4 minus 2 pi. 9 pi over 4, this one is 8 pi over 4. That's a pi over 4. This is exactly same trigonometry value. Here is right there. Here is a unit circle. Sine 9 pi over 4. Value is exactly sine pi over 4. That's coterminal angle. So sine pi over 4. Here is a coordinate on the unit circle. Square root 2 over 2. Square root 2 over 2. So sine pi over 2 gonna be square root 2 over 2. That's how to use coterminal angle here, guys. How about this one? 13 pi over 4. Let's find it. This one definitely greater than 2 pi. 13 pi over 4 minus 8 pi over 4. That's the 5 pi over 4. 5 pi over 4 is unit circle, second quadrant. Here is right there. So what is this coordinate gonna be? Negative square 2 over 2, positive square 2 over 2. So cosine value, cosine 13 pi over 4 gonna be, we're gonna using x value, negative square 2 over 2. Guys, make sure you understand unit circle, how can build it, where is the angle gonna be on the coordinate plane, and then you're gonna using this property to find trigonometric function.